Stop sign. Stop sign. The driver stopped at the stop sign. Yield sign. Yield sign. You must slow down at the yield sign. Speed limit sign. Speed limit sign. The speed limit sign says 60 kilometers per hour. No entry. No entry. Cars cannot go in this direction, it's a no entry zone. One way. One way. This is a one-way road. Two-way traffic. Two-way traffic. Be careful, there is two-way traffic ahead. Roundabout. Roundabout. There is a roundabout at the end of the street. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing. People are walking on the pedestrian crossing. School zone. School zone. Drive slowly, you are in a school zone. Railroad crossing. Railroad crossing. Stop when the train is crossing the railroad. No parking. No parking. You cannot park your car here, it's a no parking area. Parking allowed. Parking allowed. You can park your car in this area. Handicap parking. Handicap parking. This space is reserved for handicap parking only. No U-turn. No U-turn. Making a U-turn here is not allowed. U-turn allowed. U-turn allowed. You can make a U-turn at this point. Left turn only. Left turn only. You can only turn left at this intersection. Right turn only. Right turn only. Turn right only when the light turns green. Left or right turn. Left or right turn. You can turn left or right from this lane. Do not enter. Do not enter. Do not enter this road, it's for opposite traffic.